If the touch in Android Auto does not work, the problem may be caused by newer versions of Magisk. To restore touch operation, you can install a previous version of Magisk. Here I show you how you can do it. Open the browser. Go to the website https://github.com/topjohnwu. This is the official Magisk website. Tap on Magisk_files. Tap on topjohnwu. Tap on the version of Magisk you want to reinstall. Tap the three dots to the right and select View File. Click on the Raw button. Copy the URL of the page. Open Magisk app. Tap the cogwheel icon in the top right to go to Settings. Tap Update Channel. Select Custom Channel. Enter the URL you copied earlier. Confirm with OK. Go back to the main Magisk window. In the Manager section there is now an update for the previous version. Proceed to install the update. Be careful, on Android 11 you cannot install a Magisk version older than 21.2.